In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar date and time. Whether you're managing personal appointments or coordinating professional commitments, seamless calendar adjustments can make life easier. So, let's get right into it. First, you need to open Google Calendar. You can do this by either visiting the website or opening the app on your device. Once you're in, navigate through your schedule and find the event that you'd like to make changes to. Once you've located it, click on that specific event to open the details. Now, you'll want to edit the event to update any details related to the date or time. Look for the edit option, which is typically represented by a pencil icon, and select it. This will allow you to modify the various elements of the event. When you're in the edit mode, focus your attention on the section labeled date and time. Here, you'll notice fields for the day, start time, and end time. You can effortlessly adjust these to reflect the new schedule for your event. For example, if your meeting on Thursday just got moved to Friday, simply update the date field accordingly. And if necessary, use the drop-down to change the start or end times to suit your new plan. In addition, if your event involves participants from different regions, or if you're traveling, consider updating the time zone as well. This ensures that everyone involved is on the same page and avoids any potential mix-ups. There is usually an option to change the time zone within the date and time area. Make sure to adjust it if needed. After you've made all the necessary changes, it's time to save your updates. Look for the Save button, usually located on the top right corner of your screen, and give it a click. If your calendar event includes guests, Google Calendar will prompt you with a question asking if you'd like to send updates to them. Respond to this by selecting Send. It's crucial to send these updates to keep everyone informed and ensure that they adjust their plans accordingly too. It's a small step, but can make a big difference in keeping things streamlined. That's all you need to know about changing the date and time of an event in Google Calendar. It's a straightforward process that can help optimize your scheduling efficiency, giving you more control and flexibility. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your calendar accurately reflects your commitments and allows you to manage your time effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips make your calendar management